Hello students. So in today's video we are going to discuss about Roman numerals or Roman numbers. So at first we will see what points we are going to discuss in this video. So recognize the basic Roman numeral symbols. Means at first we will know about the symbols of Roman numerals. Like we denote 1 I, V from 5, we denote 5 from V, and 10 X, and L 50, C 100, D 500, and M 1000. So these are symbols. Next one is apply the rules of addition, subtraction, and repetition in Roman numerals. Means when we will form Roman numerals, so we need these rules. Okay, so where we do follow these rules, we will learn inside this video. Next, Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numbers. There are two terms: Roman numbers, numerals and numbers. You can say as you wish. Next, Hindu Arabic numbers means Roman numbers mean like this. We denote 1 from I, V, X. These are Roman values. And Hindu Arabic means normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever we use in our mathematics. So these are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Next, identify the use of Roman numerals in daily life. Means we use many times Roman numerals in our daily life. So we will see in this video. Convert Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. Means we will have Hindu Arabic numbers like 123, 394, like this. We have to convert into Roman numerals. Got it? So let's start. If any student wish to take our personal help and guidance, so kindly WhatsApp on this given number. Basic Roman numerals. First, we will know that symbols or Roman values of numbers. So look here, there is I. We denote 1 from I, then 5 from V, 10 from X, 50 L, 100 century C, 500 D, and 1000 M. Understood? These are basic symbols, means these are important. You have to remember these values, and with the help of these value and after using addition and subtraction rule, you can easily make any numeral or Roman numerals. Got it? So now see the rules of writing Roman numerals. Means there are rules: repetition rule, addition rule, subtraction rule, or are follow in forming the Roman numerals from Hindu Arabic number. So repetition rule say that a number numeral can be repeated up to 3 times. How? We will see here. We denote 1 from I. So how we will write 2? Double I. Then how we will write 3? Triple I. Got it? 3 times we have used I. Okay. Now it's turn to 4. So how we will write 4? Got it? So we can't use I 4 times because the rules say that you can use or repeat any numeral up to 3 times. So how we will write? We know that 5, the value of 5. The value of 5 is 4. So when we subtract 1 from 5, 1 from 5, so we will get 4. So now how we will write 4? Subtraction rule, because we are subtracting here. So subtraction rule say that a smaller numeral before a bigger numerals. What do you understand by this? Means we are subtracting 1 from 5, so we will get 4. To write the Roman numerals, we will write smaller value at initial. Means I is the Roman value of 1. So that's why we will write 1I. And then we are subtracting 1 from 5. So 5 is bigger value. So we will write bigger value after smaller value. So IV is the Roman value of 4 or Roman numerals of 4. Understood? So this is the subtraction rule. Got it? So there are many numbers. We will use subtraction rule for all those numbers. Okay. So this is the 4IV. Now it's turn to 6. How we will write 6? How we will write 6? So you know that 5 is V. Now you will say we will write VV. No. If we write VV means this is 5 and this is 5 and this is the 5 plus 5 10, but 10 is already given here x. So and this is the exception, we can't use repetition rule for V, L and D. V for 5, L for 50, D for 500. You can see here 555 like this. You can easily remember. So 555, 550, 500. This is the exception of repetition rule. So we can't repeat double V 3 times, L 3 times, D 3 times. So how we will form now 6? Easy. When we add 1 in 5, yani means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Right? So there we are using addition. So for addition, we will use addition rule. So what is the addition rule? A smaller number after, opposite to subtraction. A smaller number after, bigger number before. So bigger number is 5 here. How we will write 5? V. And then 1. How we will write 1? I. So this is the 6. Now how will we write 7? Easy. Now we can repeat 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. Means this is 1, this is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. Now 9. It's turn to 9. So how we will write 9? So this is 9. We can't write VIII like this because we can not repeat after 3 times. So you know that 9 before 10. And you know that the Roman numerals of 10 is x. So that's why we use subtraction rule for 9. How? When we subtract 1 from 10, so we will get 9. Easy. And there are two numbers, 10 and 1 means we are subtracting 1 from 10. So we will get 9. So we will use subtraction rule. And you know that at first we will write smaller value means 1 and then bigger value 10 because we are subtracting 1 from 10. So this is the Roman value or Roman numeral of 9. Correct? Then you can easily write here. So to easy understanding, look here, there are 1 and 5, two values. So in between 1 and 5, there are how many numbers? 2, 3 and 4. 1 we denote from I. So repetition rule say you can repeat I. So double I is 2, triple I is 3 and this is 4. This is 4. And 4 how? We have repeated 3 times and now it's turned to 4. So 4 follow subtraction rule. Got it? 1 subtract from 5. So we will get 4. Next 5 already given here 6. Now look here 5. Between 5 and 10, how many numbers are there? 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 we can write 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So VI 7, VII 8, VII this one 9. Now it's turn to 9. So how we will write? We have C in first line. Ix is 9. 10 is x here. Now look here. 50. In between 10 and 50, how many numbers are there? 20, 30, 40, then 50. So 10, 20, we can write double x because repetition rule allow x 3 times. So 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10, 60. So how we will write 60? There is addition. So 50, write 50 L, then X. Similarly 20 L double X. Similarly 70 L double X. Similarly 80 L triple X. Now it's turned to 90. How we will write 90? So 90 follow subtraction rule because it's nearest to 100. So when we subtract 10 from 100, so we will get 90. And you know, subtraction rule say that smaller number before and a bigger number after a smaller number. So 90, 100 minus 10. So we are subtracting 10 from what number? 100, and 100 is C here. So XC. Got it? Now 100 to 500, 101 to 499. So, or 100 to, at first we will see 100 to 400, just to look the 100 place values. So, 100, 200, 300 and 400 comes between 100 and 500. 200 we can easily write because C allow repetition rule. Double C, triple C. Now 400. Nearest to 500, so that's why we will follow subtraction rule. So 100, subtract 100 from 500, we will get 400. So we will write 100 at first, then 500 is D, so this is 400. Got it? Now you suppose you have to write 455. So how will you write? 455. You know that this is the 400. 400 we will write 100 minus 500 is 400. Now 50, 5. 55. You know that 50 is L and 5 is V. So the Roman value of 455 is like this. Got it? Now 500 D. Then between 500 to 1000 there is 600, 700, 800, 900. We can easily write 600 because 500 plus 100 is 600. 600, 500 D plus 100 C is 600. Got it? Similarly, D double C 700, D triple C 800, now 900. For 900, we will use subtraction rule again. Got it? Next, you know that when we subtract 100 from 1000, 100 from 1000, so we will get 900. So 100 is C and 1000 is M. CM. CM is 900. CM is 900. You can see here this is 1000, this is 100. Because we are subtracting 100 from 1000, so we will get 900. So Roman numeral or value of 900 is CM. Understood? Now, there are few key points. Look here. Always look left to right. Means whenever you will have Roman value, so you have to see left to right. Look here example 27. Left X X V I I. You will check like this. Next, if smaller numeral is before subtract, in this numeral value there are X X, V, I. All are in a manner. Got it? Means bigger, then this is bigger than this one. Got it? So like look here, 10, this is 10, this is 5, and this is 2. Means X denoted by, sorry, 10 is denoted by X, and V is denoted by 5, and 2 is denoted by double I. There is 10 is bigger than 5, and 5 is bigger than 2. So there is no subtraction rule. That's why. So we will see 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, then 2, 7. So is equal to 27 here. Next, if smaller numeral is after, look in this example now. If smaller numeral, now look in this numeral, is there any smaller value before bigger value? Look here, this is the 1. This is 1 means I means 1, and this is X means 10. So subtraction rule will be follow here. You can see here. There is X, correct. There is X, correct. But in between X and X there is I means 1. So smaller number before bigger number. So there is subtraction rule. So you know that X is 20 plus X is 20. Got it? Then I and X means subtraction between these two values. This is 10 and this is 1. 10 minus 1, 9. So it will be 9. So now at 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. Understood? Now never repeat VLD. I have told you, then these are exception. Means we can't use repetition rule in these numbers. Got it? V is 5, this is 50, and this is 500. 550, 500 do not allow repetition rule. Okay? Now it's turn to exercise. Which of the following is the Roman numeral for 50? Roman numeral for 50. 50 is L. Convert the number to Roman. Write 29 in Roman numerals. You have to write 29 in Roman numerals. So, before writing the Roman numerals, look here, we will break this number. 29, 20 plus 9. How will you write 20? You know that 10 plus 10, 20. So, x is 20 here, plus 9, I, V. So, where is double X, I, V? Double X, I, X, sorry. This is 9, not 4. This is 9. So, that's why this is IX. So, C1 is correct option. Okay. Next, conversion Roman to number. Conversion Roman to number. Now, what is the Hindu Arabic number of XCIV? Here you have Roman value and you have to convert into Hindu Arabic. Hindu Arabic means 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. Okay. So, XC. At first look here. Is there subtraction rule or addition rule? What rule follow here? So look, this is X. X means 10 and this is C, 100. Opposite. Smaller value before or bigger value after. Means there is subtraction rule. And with which numerals? These two. Because these are opposite, bigger after and a smaller number before. So that's why there is subtraction rule in these two Roman numerals. So C is 100, X is 10 here. So 100 minus 10, 90. Now move in this I. I is smaller value. V is bigger value. Again subtraction in these two numerals. Which numerals follow bigger after means subtraction addition rule? Look here, in these two we will follow the subtraction rule. In these two we will follow subtraction rule. There is IV. I is 1, V is 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So 90 plus 4 is equal to 94. So B1 is the correct option. Next, which of the following is not correctly written? Look here. There is IV 4, correct, because V 5 and I 1. When we subtract 1 from 5, so we will get 4. Next, IX, correct, 9. XL, wrong, because L is 50. 50, this is the correct value. And C, century, C is 100, correct. Next, on a clock with Roman numerals, which number will be written as XII? Now look here, I is smaller than 10. So there is X. So there is no any subtraction rule. So you will write in a particular manner. This is X 10. Then plus 1. Then plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So the answer is 12 here. Option number B. Next, solve these questions by yourself and convert 90 into Roman numerals. 90. 100 minus 10. 90. Means XC. XC is the correct option. Which number is represented by CD? Which number is represented by CD? So, CD, look here. C 100 and D 500. Opposite system means subtraction. 500, 100. Subtract 100 from 500, so we will get 400. Correct? Next, write 745 in Roman numerals. At first, before writing the Roman numerals, break this number. 700 plus 45. You know that 700. How we will write 700? 500 plus 200. 500 D, 200, 100 C, 600, then double C. Means 500, 600, 700 plus 40 XL plus 5 V. So 5, where is D double C XL V? D double C XL V. This is the correct option. Next, the Roman numerals MCM stands for which number? Means Roman number MCM. Now look here. M is bigger value 1000. C is a smaller value than M, 100 only. And then again 1000. So in this number now, look carefully. This is M 1000. So no problem. We will write 1000 as it is here. Then look, there is a smaller value before bigger value. So means subtraction rule follow for these two because there is opposite. At first is smaller than bigger. So that's why the subtraction rule. You know that this is 1000 and this is 100. So we will subtract 100 from 1000. So we will get 900. So 1000 plus 900 is equal to 1900. So C1 is the correct option. Next one, convert 2000 into Roman numerals. Very easy. Repetition. M allows repetition rule. So that's why when we will write M double M, so 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. So where is double M? This is A is the correct option. If you enjoyed the video, so please like and share among your friend circles. So bye bye. See you in next video.